Welcome to GK at Amosri. Which state has recorded the highest real economic growth rate in India for 2024 to 25? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Bihar, D. Sikkim. A. Tamil Nadu recorded the highest real economic growth rate at 9.69%. This growth is the highest for Tamil Nadu in the last decade. Andhra Pradesh followed by closely with 8.21% and Puducherry with 7.96%. Who has been appointed as the new DGP of Fire and Rescue Services? A. Meera Borwankar, B. Seema Agarwal, C. Kiran Bedi, D. Anand Kumar. B. Seema Agarwal, Senior IPS Officer and Director General of Police. Seema Agarwal has been posted as the Director of Fire and Rescue Services. Which port retained its position as the leading cargo handling major port in India? A. Tuticorin Port, B. Cochin Port, C. Paradip Port, D. Deenadayal Port. C. Paradip Port. Paradip Port Authority has once again reaffirmed its leadership position by retaining its number one status in cargo handling among Indian major ports for the second consecutive year. Who has been elected as the chairman of Indian Banks Association IBA? A. Dinesh K. Kara, B. C. S. Chetty, C. Atul Kumar Goyal, D. A. Manimekalai. B. C. S. Chetty. The current chairman of Indian Banks Association IBA is Charles Srinivasulu Chetty, the chairman of State Bank of India. He was elected as the IBA's managing committee and will serve until the next annual general meeting. Who has been awarded with the Abel Prize 2025? A. Masaki Kashiwara, B. Subman Gill, C. Andrew Wills, D. Rishabh Pant. A. Masaki Kashiwara is a Japanese mathematician. He is being recognized for his foundation contribution to algebraic analysis and representation theory, particularly the theory of D modules and crystal bases. Who has been conferred with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Visionary Governance 2025? A. P.S. Roman, B. Stephen Fleming, C. Dalai Lama, D. Matthew Hayden. C. Dalai Lama. The award recognized his lifetime dedication to peace, non-violence, wisdom culture and environmental stewardship. India secured how many medals at the 2025 Asian Wrestling Championships? A. 7 medals, B. 10 medals, C. 12 medals, D. 8 medals. B. 10 medals, 1 gold, 3 silver, 96 bronze. India wrapped Ancient Wrestling Championship campaign with 10 medals in Yemen. Who breaks men's 100-meter national record at Indian Grand Prix 1? A. Krishna Rani, B. Anas Yahia, C. Gurinder Veer Singh, D. Amla Bohuvain. C. Gurinder Veer Singh broke the men's 100-meter national record with the time of 10.20 seconds, surpassing the previous record of 10.23 seconds held by Manikantha Hobledar. IIM Ahmedabad is set to establish its first international campus in which city? A. Sydney, B. London, C. Singapore, D. Dubai. D. Dubai. IIM Ahmedabad moved to establish its first international campus in Dubai marks a bold step towards a global leadership in management education. How many Rafale marine fighter aircraft has India recently approved to purchase from France? A. 20, B. 22, C. 24, D. 26. D. 26. India has approved a Rs 64,000 crore deal to acquire 26 Rafale M fighter jet from France, making a major leap in the country's naval air capabilities. In which state is Indian Oil Corporation Limited to set up a world-class petrochemical complex? A. Odisha, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra, D. Punjab. A. Odisha. Specifically, the complex will be located at Paradip a coastal town in Odisha. This project involves a significant investment of rupees 61,077 crore and it is one of the IOCL's largest single location investment. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Chief Information Officer at the Bombay Stock Exchange? A. Anil Kumar, B. Viral Dawad, C. Suresh Nair, D. Rajesh Khanna. B. Viral Dawad, a professional with more than 20 years of experience, has been appointed as the Deputy Chief Information Officer at Bombay Stock Exchange Limited. Who has been honored with the National Maritime Varuna Award 2025? A. Rajesh Unni, B. C.P. Srivastav, C. Tanuveli Goshe, D. Dhirendra Sanyal. A. Rajesh Unni, founder of Synergy Marine Group, has been honored with the National Maritime Varuna Award, India's highest individual recognition in the marine sector, by the Government of India during 62nd National Marine Day celebrations. Who has become India's first unicorn of 2025? A. Cred, B. Juspay, C. GPay, D. Paytm. B. Juspay is a Bengaluru-based payment infrastructure provider. Juspay has become the India's first unicorn of 2025. Which country built the world's first 3D printed train station in just 6 hours? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. America. C. Japan. West Japan Railway Company has built the world's first 3D printed train station in Arida, assembling in under 6 hours. Which country recently announced an 84% of tariff on the USC? A. Russia, B. China, C. India, D. Brazil. B. China announced tariff of up to 84% on US goods in response to Donald Trump administration's 104% of duties on Chinese imports, escalating the intensifying US-China trade war. The BM-04 is a short-range ballistic missile developed by which organization? A. HAL, B. DRDO, C. Bharat Dynamics, D. ISRO. C. Bharat Dynamics is a nuclear-capable short-range ballistic missile with a range over 2,500 km. It uses a canisterized system with the hypersonic glide body of mid-course maneuverability. Where was the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran Wildlife Sanctuary established in 2025? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Madhya Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. To enhance wildlife conservation and honor a national icon, the Madhya Pradesh government has officially declared a new wildlife sanctuary spanning 258.64 square kilometers in Sagar district. Which cricketer awarded a knighthood in a former PM Rishi Sunak's registration honor list? A. Joe Root, B. Bean Stoke, C. Stuart Booth, D. James Anderson. B. James Anderson is said to receive a knighthood in recognition of his record-breaking 21-year England career after being named in the registration honor list of the former UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, who has been awarded the 2025 IOF CSA Medal of Achievement. A. Dr. Amrish Mittal, B. Dr. Sunita Narain, C. Dr. Devi Shetty, D. Dr. Rajesh Khanna. A. Dr. Amrish Mittal, the International Osteoporosis Foundation has presented 2025 CSA Medal of Achievement to Dr. Amrish Mittal, a renowned Indian endocrinologist and distinguished physician and researcher. Answer for last video was Ctrl+S. The most common shortcut key to save the file is Ctrl+S on Windows and Command+S on Mac. The shortcut saved the current document or file if one is open. The video is available on iCode. Which state is the host of National Tribal Youth Festival 2025? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.